I'm Lindsay Smith, creator of foodmoodgirl.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make sugar-free truffles. In order to make this recipe, you'll need the following ingredients: 2 cups of raw cacao powder, 1 cup of unsweetened coconut flakes, a half a cup of coconut oil, 3/4 a cup of brown rice syrup, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. In order to make these truffles, the first step is to combine our coconut oil, brown rice syrup, and pure vanilla extract into a small blender and blend until it makes a creamy consistency. Now that the mixture is nice and creamy, we're going to slowly add our dried coconut flakes, about a half a cup at a time, to the mixture and continue blending. Now that we have a nice creamy mixture, we're going to slowly add it to the raw cacao powder to formulate our truffle balls. Add a little bit at a time and then continuously mix. You want to make sure all the raw cacao is mixed in. Now that our truffle mixture is nice and creamy and it's all mixed in, we're going to refrigerate it for about 30 to 40 minutes. Now that our truffle batter has had a chance to harden, we're going to tablespoon out 1-inch balls and roll them onto a lined cookie sheet. If you have any leftover coconut flakes, you can roll your truffle balls in the flakes to give it an extra look and flavor. I'm Lindsay Smith, creator of foodmoodgirl.com, and that's how you make sugar-free truffles.